Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. Today I'm going to be taking you around this Toyota RAV4 4-wheel drive. This Toyota RAV4 is finished in white and is powered by a 2.5 VVT petrol hybrid engine with an automatic transmission. On this model the boot can be remotely accessed. Well, you'll find a rubber mat and plenty of space to provide for your daily needs. Of course, this space can be extended with all the rear seats down. It sits beautifully on 18-inch multi-spoke designed alloy wheels, as well as LED daytime running headlights that provide great visibility no matter what the weather condition. Into the back, and the passengers are provided with full leather seats, headrests, as well as ISOFIX for convenience. Into the front, and the driver is presented with a leather wrap multi-function steering wheel, as well as full electric leather seats with memory capabilities. The multi-function steering wheel provides access to cruise control, speed limiter, voice command, hands-free, volume control, as well as vital driving data. The partial digital instrument display provides access to vital driving data, which can be controlled using the multi-function steering wheel. In the centre, a coloured touchscreen display provides access to inbuilt satellite navigation, helping you get around with those unfamiliar places. Bluetooth, multimedia and radio is also provided, ensuring you stay connected at all times. A rear camera making parking a breeze in the tightest of spaces. Just below is the controls to the dual climate control, where the driver and the passenger can adjust the temperature to their liking. Heated seats are also provided for the colder months, ensuring you stay at the right temperature. Into the centre console, USB connection, a cup holder, the gear selector, a manual handbrake, a second cup holder and a leather armrest is also provided. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. For further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.